Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Planning to sell your old gate on Cashify? Here's how to find and use promo codes to get the best value. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. After that, in the search bar, type Cashify promo codes and hit search. You will see a list of websites offering the latest promo codes. These codes can help you earn extra cashback or discounts on repairs and services. Now, click on any of these sites to browse promo codes like extra cashback on device sales or discounts on smartphone repairs. Once you have found the right code, copy it and open the Cashify app or website to proceed with selling or repairing your device. During checkout or while finalizing your sale, paste the promo code in the provided box to claim your benefit. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you have successfully used a Cashify promo code and saved money. Enjoy your rewards. Thanks for watching.